Today we'll take a quick look at making a screenshot on a Chromebook. All we have to do to make a screenshot is hold down the control key and press that same virtual desktop overview button that we looked at previously. It pops up with a message basically asking what we want to do with this screenshot. I click copy to clipboard. At that point, I can go over to Google Slides and I can paste that in. Or I could go to my email and if I were having a problem with a program or something, I could paste that in and send that off to someone so they could see exactly what I was seeing. Now that captures the whole screen. What if I only wanted to capture part of the screen? Well, go back to the thing that you want to take the picture of. And this time, instead of pressing Control and the virtual desktop overview button, I'm going to press Control Shift and that virtual desktop overview button. And it allows me to make a box around just the area I want to capture. So I'm going to make a box around this little guy. And it says, what do you want to do with this? I say copy to clipboard. Then I can go over to my presentation and I can paste in just that part of the screen that I captured. Of course, I could also send it in email or put it in a Google Doc or whatever else I needed to. And that's all there is to it. Have a great day.